Because the world is garbage, it is now important to avoid COVID-19 vaccine fraud. Previous vaccine passports often relied on central servers, creating a single point of failure. Ours, tentatively named VaxPort, instead relies on the oldest of old school decentralized security, PGP. Every clinic has a public key, which they make available from their own website. Every such key is signed by the government to verify that the clinic is licensed to vaccinate. Whenever a patient is vaccinated, our system generates a cryptographically signed message from the clinic confirming the vaccination, which is then emailed to the patient in the form of a QR code. Anyone who wishes to verify the patient's vaccine status can simply scan the code, which, along with the signature, includes a URL from which to download the clinic's public key. Our verification software will download the key directly from the clinic, thereby making sure that it does come from the real clinic, and check that it did indeed sign the patient's vaccination confirmation. It will also check that the government's key has indeed signed the clinic's. The result is a triple guarantee. The clinic's key agrees that the patient was vaccinated, the clinic's key comes directly from the clinic, and the government agrees that the clinic is real.